In this video, I will show you how to create arc text. First, I'm just using circle. Here I'm using 2 feet dia, and then use line command and just trim the one side, because now we just need this arc. So now use a command ARCT, arc text, enter, click the arc. Here just type what you want. For example, here I'm writing Balzer. Here you can write your text height, width and offset from the arc, option from left. You can use defaults, but in this case for height you can change, but don't change these offset from arc and offset from left and width vector. Don't change these things and click OK. See, in next case I will show you one more. Again same command ARCT, enter, click on arc. Here you can use some options. Now we have to use these, first arc, then text. Click on this, again write your text and enter. See, and one more option, again type ARCT, enter, click on this. Now you have to reselect the previous option, so just reselect. Then if you want reverse text, click on this and write, then again see, it's reverse. Next, same command, click on this and reselect this one, and you can use align to the left. Okay, see, only left side. And again you can use align right side, ARCT, enter, click, reselect this one, then select the right, type see. Now you get right side. Again one more option, ARCT, enter, click on this and reselect the right, and you can use again fit, or you can use center. If you want, for example, you want this one and center, but you want one outline or underline the text, then you can use this and see.